Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to finally share my swatches of my 10 morning kiss polishes that I got way back in October when I was in Bangkok, Thailand. And yeah, I pre-recorded this video like weeks and weeks ago, like 6 weeks ago or something. As you can see, I still had my long nails, like at least most of my long nails there. This was like a couple of days before I really shortened them a lot. My thumbnails were already broken, but yeah, they're already growing back quite nicely. But I really wanted to just share my swatches because yeah, I had the footage and why not share it as an extra video. So all of these colors don't really have names, more of like a code, which is 2 letters and 2 numbers combined. I got these at a local drugstore in Bangkok. I actually went there 2 years before the last time I was there, and it's just a really nice drugstore. I think it's an originally Japanese drugstore. I think it was called Surua or something like that. I will try to look it up and mention it in the pinned comment down below this video. If it's not there yet, I'm just still looking for the name, but I think it was called Surua or Tsuhura, Tsurua, denk ik. Oh well, I'm actually starting to speak Dutch now. Kind of nice and rambly video right here, but yeah, I just really wanted to share my swatches nonetheless. As I mentioned, I'm just going to put some music in the rest of this video because you can definitely see what those first coats of all of these color swatches look like. Some little like extra information: I got these polishes for, I think it was like 100 baht or something, which is about €3, so they were still quite affordable and I really love that. So if you are ever going to visit Bangkok, definitely check out like their local drugstores as well, because they definitely have some really nice nail polishes, even sometimes gel polishes, and just a lot of cute nail art stuff. So yeah, I really hope you like this swatch video. I'm going to share with you like how the first swatch or first coat is applied, and I will do the second coat off camera and you will see the end result of 2 coats of each of these polishes at the end of this video. But thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, I love you so much and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.